how to switch between different apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now I'm going to first go back to my home screen, and when I want to switch between different open apps, what you can do is you can swipe up at the bottom. Now if you are using the swipe gesture navigation bar, then you can swipe up and hold just above the bottom dock like this. Hold, and here this will open up your app drawers, and here you can swipe across, and then you can choose which app you want to open. So here I can open up this app right here. Let's say I can open up the Samsung Music app. And if you are using the buttons navigation, so here I have buttons navigation, so you can tap on the recent key, and this will allow you to open up your recent apps, and you can then switch between them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.